Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check your RAM usage on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, I want to make things clear that there is a application that comes pre-installed into your MacBook, and you don't need to download any third-party application to go ahead and check your RAM usage. And the name of the app is Activity Monitor. Simply go ahead and press Command and Space to open your Spotlight search and search for Activity Monitor and click on Open. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to show you every single application that is running on the background as well. Now, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and click on Memory right over here, which is, in fact, the synonym or the other name for your RAM. So as you can see, I have a physical memory of 8 GB and currently 6.4 of it is being used. So for screen capture, 190 MB, there's a lot of things that it is being consumed for. So there's WhatsApp. You can simply go ahead and force quit these things that you're not actually using just by clicking on these right over here and then clicking on quit. As you can see, all you need to do is just quit just like that. Safari, everything that is taking your RAM consumption and which you're not using at the moment is useless. So why just run it on the background? So simply go ahead and end all of these tasks. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.